नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं शुभम गर्ग और आप हैं गर्ग गुरुकुल चैनल में। आई नो आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, बट देर वर सम issues and there were some work on which I was working. So let's start. So this video is all about CDS 1 2021. Okay, result is out on 23rd March itself. Okay, so this video is quite late, but I thought that I have to make this video, and I'm making this in English because a lot of requests came, and I'm making this video because on my WhatsApp number, even after 1 week or 2 weeks, I am getting queries regarding this result. Okay, so I'm trying to clarify all the queries regarding this result. Now, first thing is how you can check the results. You can just go on Google and write CDS 1 2021 result, okay, and open the UPSC website, official website. If you are not able to get the PDF, so you will get two PDFs, okay. One will have roll number, one will have names plus roll number. Okay, so this you will get two PDFs. If you are still, you would be seeing on the screen how it will look like when you will visit the official website. If you are still not able to get the PDFs, WhatsApp me on my number. Just WhatsApp, don't call, and I will give you the PDF. Okay, this is the first thing. Second doubt is regarding the preference. Okay, so a lot of doubts came about preference, and this is the most important doubt. So in CDS, why it is called CDS? Because it is combined defense services. So it is not related to only one services. It is related to combined defense services. So it is also related to AFA, Air Force, Navy and Army, all the three. So we have four branches in CDS: AFA, Air Force Academy; IMA, Indian Military Academy; INA, Indian Naval Academy; and OTA, Officers Training Academy. These two are for Army, and this is Navy, this is Air Force. Okay, so you can give preference for these four academies. Okay, so preferences in the sense, this CDS written exam, okay, this written exam is for all of them. It is a common written exam, that's why combined defense services exam. Okay, but as per your preference, SSBs will be different. Okay, so if your preference is for IMA, Army first, then you will go for Army SSB. If your preference was Air Force SSB, then you will go for Air Force SSB. If your preference was OTA, then you will go for Army only. If your preference was INA, then you will go for Navy SSB. So Air Force SSB is called AFSB board. IMA and Navy is SSB only, and INA is called Naval Selection Board. Okay, so you have to do it like this. So you must have given your preferences. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 preferences you must have given. Okay, now for girls, this exam is only for OTA, so girls can only fill OTA. So girls will only give OTA. ठीक है, बॉयज के लिए इट इज लाइक दैट यू कैन गिव ऑल द प्रेफरेंसेस. सो you must have given your preferences that okay, first I will give AFA, I want to join AFA, then IMA is my second preference, then INA, and then OTA, for example. This is just an example. Okay, now, so since this is a common written exam, so what happens is all these branches will have different cutoffs. Okay, so all of them will have different cutoff. Now, what do you mean by different cutoff? That means AFA will have different cutoff. Now, as per the cutoff, so for example, your AFA cutoff is, for example, okay, 150, and IMA cutoff is 130. Okay, this is just an example. These are not real cutoff. I'm just giving an example. Okay, OTA cutoff is 100. Now, if your marks are 135, okay, so you have cleared you have cleared IMA cutoff. Okay, not AFA. Okay, now you have cleared IMA cutoff. Your first preference was AFA, but you have not cleared AFA cutoff, so your second preference would be considered, which is IMA. Now, your marks were 135. Okay, and these were the cutoffs which came for that year. So you have cleared for IMA also, INA also, and OTA also, okay, because your marks are higher than all the three. But then it will go as preference. Since your second preference was IMA, AFA you were not able to clear, right? So second preference was IMA, so next is IMA, so you'll go for IMA. Instead of this, if you had it like this, OTA and IMA, now your service would be OTA, because your AFA you were not able to select, but OTA you were not able to clear the cutoff, okay, but OTA is your second preference. Even though you have cleared cutoff for IMA and INA, but in your preference you gave OTA as second, so you will get OTA. Okay, so preference plays a very important role while filling the CDS form. Third question, a lot of questions I get on SSB, which is if I have cleared SSB for more than one. Okay, for example, this example itself, 135 marks I have got in written, and I have cleared SSB for IMA, IN and OTA, all the three. So will I get 3 SSB calls? Answer is no. You will get only one SSB call based on cutoff and your preference. Okay, so if you have cleared AFA, then you will give just AFA. If you have cleared OTA, you will just get OTA. One SSB call you will get. Now, the most important doubt. Okay, I have got my result now. I know what to do. I have cleared IMA, I have cleared AFA, I have cleared this. I know which SSB I will get. But do I have to register on Join Indian Army website, or Air Force website, or Navy website? Now, if you read the result carefully, and it will be there on the screen, it is mentioned that if you have cleared IMA or OTA, because these are both Army services, Indian Army services, so if you have cleared IMA or OTA, okay, or it was your first preference, that means if you are going for these, the SSB as per this concept which I told you, if you are going for IMA or OTA SSB, you have cleared that, then only you have to register on Join Indian Army website. That too, if you have already registered, then you don't have to register. Okay, but if you have like if you have given for the first time, if you have not registered, go and register on the Join Indian Army website. For Air Force and Navy, nothing is mentioned in the written result, and therefore you don't have to do anything. Don't worry, you will get your SSB calls. Don't worry. But the email ID which you gave, okay, for CDS registration, email ID which you gave, that should be correct. Keep checking on that email ID. You will get all the details on that email ID and the phone number. Okay. Okay. Fifth doubt is, in the result, my name is there in IMA also, and in INA result also, and OTA result also. Some person will have like my roll number is there in all the three. Yes, because we have cleared cutoff for all the three. So your name or number, roll number will be there in all the three lists. Okay, but as per your preference, you will get call only for one SSB. So this was all the doubts which we have covered regarding the CDS 1 2021 result. Still, if you have any doubt, this is my WhatsApp number 9380647486. You can message me on this number. Please don't call. Message me on this number. Mention your name, age, and which exam you are appearing. Okay, and I think most of the doubts I have covered, but still if you have any doubts, message me and I'll try to reply you as soon as possible. Just please make sure that I get a lot of messages on that WhatsApp number, because this number is available on YouTube, so I get a lot of queries. So if I'm not able to reply in one day, I'll try to reply on second day, but I'll try to reply on the same day on which you are sending the message. If you are a defense aspirant and if you want some other kind of videos on defense, let me know. Please mention in your comments. And if you have cleared the CDS 1 2021, congratulations. mention your marks or which SSB are going in the comment section. This is Shubham Gar. Thank you so much.